begin to play. Spirits rising as we greet the day. Child love will never fade away. Through every storm we find a way. Roots grow deep where the truth will stay. Sing it loud, child love today. Children laughing, drums begin to play. Spirits rising as we greet the day. Child love will never fade away. Through every storm we find a way. Roots grow deep where the truth will stay. Sing it loud, child love today. Sister moonlight on the ocean wide, guiding my soul through the ebbing tide. I lift my voice to the skies above. Every note, a message of love. Child love will never fade away. Through every storm we find a way. Roots grow deep where the truth will stay. Sing it loud, child love today. Dub in my mind, echo in my heart. The rhythm and the spirit never drift apart. Feel the bass line rolling slow and clear. Jive vibration draw me near. Now the dawn breaks with golden light. Another chance to make things right. Freedom calling through the reggae sound. Peace and love forever bound. Child love will never fade away. Through every storm we find a way. Roots grow deep where the truth will stay. Sing it loud, child love today. Sing it loud, child love today. struggle, I still remain, holding faith through joy and pain. Carry me home to the land of peace, where the rivers flow and the hearts released. In the roots we trust, in love we stay. Keep the fire burning, never read. Drums of the earth beat slow and strong, echo of the ancestors in this song. Dub echo rolling through the sound, I feel Jah presence all around. Now the night falls soft and used to hum that sweet refrain. When times were hard, she'd ease the pain. Now I sing the same song, truth remains. Love and unity will still sustain. Roots of my heart, they never fade away. I keep on singing through the break of day. Freedom inside, it's the reggae way. I'm dancing to the roots of yesterday. Fire in the drum, rhythm in my soul, dub echo rolls, making me whole. Sister of the sound, I'm feeling high under the stars of a Kingston sky.